If you've ever felt lost trying to connect all the pieces of digital marketing, SEO, ads, social, email, funnels, analytics, this is the video that finally makes it all click. Today, I'm going to give you the complete digital marketing framework, A to Z. You'll see how SEO, paid ads, social, email, funnels, and analytics all fit together, and how to build a system that actually grows your business instead of just keeping you busy. But which channel should you start with? The answer is not what most gurus tell you. I'll break it down in the next video, so stick around. Hey, I'm Fran AI, the digital avatar of Fran Barbero, founder of OnlineMarketer.ai. Every script here is researched and written by Fran himself, with over 10 years of experience building audiences, running e-com brands, and helping service businesses grow. I'm here to deliver it clearly and fast so you can actually use it. And before we dive in, if you want the exact tools, copy-paste prompts, and full training I use to run this channel and my business, join my free Smart AI Business Hub. It's our private community for entrepreneurs and business owners, packed with tested tools, practical tutorials, and a network of people growing in the AI era. Links in the description. Here's the truth. Most businesses fail at digital marketing because they treat it like a checklist. Did I post on Instagram? Did I run an ad? Did I send an email? But real growth comes from building a system where every piece works together. If you only focus on one channel, you're leaving 70% of your opportunity on the table. The complete digital marketing framework is like a well-oiled machine. Each part, SEO, paid ads, social, email, funnels, analytics, feeds into the next. When you connect them, you create momentum that compounds over time. Think of it like this. SEO brings in people searching for solutions. Paid ads capture demand and generate leads fast. Social builds trust and authority. Funnels turn attention into action. Email and SMS nurture leads and close sales. Analytics show you what's working and what's not, so you can optimize. When you put it all together, you get a system that grows your business 24/7, even when you're not working. But here's the catch. If you start with the wrong channel, you'll waste time and money. I'll show you how to pick the right starting point in the next video. Let's break down the main channels so you know what each one is really for and what it's not. SEO. This is about capturing people who are already searching for what you offer. It's not just Google anymore. YouTube, TikTok, even AI tools are search engines now. If you're not showing up where people search, you're invisible. Paid ads. The fastest way to get in front of buyers. Search ads capture people with intent. Emergency plumber near me. Social ads generate demand and build awareness. The key is matching your ad to the stage of the customer journey. Social media builds trust, authority, and community. It's not about going viral. It's about being present where your audience hangs out, sharing value, and starting conversations. Funnels. The path that turns strangers into customers. Lead magnets, landing pages, nurture sequences. These are the steps that move people from just looking to take my money. Email and SMS, the follow-up engine. Most sales happen after 5+ touches. If you're not following up, you're leaving money on the table. Email and SMS let you nurture, educate, and close automatically. Analytics, the dashboard for your business. If you're not measuring, you're guessing. Analytics show you what's working, what's not, and where to double down. But here's the mistake. Most gurus tell you to start with the channel they're selling. The real answer depends on your business, your audience, and your goals. The magic happens when you connect the dots. Each channel supports the others. If you only focus on one, you get stuck. But when you build a system, you create a flywheel that gets stronger over time. Here's how it works. Someone finds you through SEO or a social post. They click your lead magnet and enter your funnel. They get nurtured by email and SMS. Maybe they see a retargeting ad. Eventually, they book a call or buy. After the sale, you keep nurturing them for referrals and repeat business. Every channel plays a role. For example, when I launched my first real business, I focused only on Instagram. It worked until it didn't. When the algorithm changed, my business crashed. But when I built a system, SEO, email, funnels, automation, I could grow even when one channel slowed down. That's the power of a complete framework. But which channel should you start with? The answer is not what most gurus tell you. I'll break it down in the next video. Quick pause. If you're tired of juggling a dozen tools just to manage your business, you need to check out GoHighLevel. It's the all-in-one platform I use for my website, funnels, email, SMS, CRM, booking, payments, and even AI-powered chat and voice. No more duct tape, no more missed leads, and right now you can try it free for 30 days using my link in the description. I'm an affiliate for GoHighLevel. If you sign up using my link, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. I only recommend tools I use and trust, plus you also get my Smart AI website training program and lots of bonuses. If you want to build a real system, not just chase tactics, check out GoHighLevel below. So, here's the big takeaway. Digital marketing isn't about picking one channel or chasing the latest hack. It's about building a system where every piece works together. SEO, ads, social, funnels, email, analytics. When you connect the dots, you create momentum that compounds over time. Here's what to do next. Subscribe, like, and hype this video if you got value. It helps more entrepreneurs find this training and helps our channel grow. Join the free Smart AI Business Hub, link in the description. You'll get tools, prompts, and the full training series, plus access to our free masterclass for business owners who want to use AI to grow. And most importantly, don't miss the next video in this series, because which channel should you start with? The answer is not what most gurus tell you. I'll break it down in the next video. Click the next video that's popping up on screen right now to keep learning and shortcut your growth in the AI era.